Is it possible to make 23,000 trading supply and demand? In this video, I'm going to show you guys the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are beginner or experienced traders, okay? My entry just went in very late, guys. I don't know why. We're trading rejections, guys. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for times when the price came to the supply or demand area and it rejects. I'm just taking advantage of that, guys. Okay. So I saw that the price reject here. So now I just entered for two candles. I'm just gonna sit back and wait for my price to go above my entry, because I could see on this level right here it was a very strong rejection. Plus there is a doji right here also, and dojis are a sign of reversal, so therefore there should be a green candle right here. Beautiful, that's what I'm talking about. And we saw that the price rejected very sweetly and very nicely in our direction, and this trade is going to result in a win. This gap will try to fill, so I'm not worried. Okay, so the price came into my supply area. You guys see the rejection, it's so clean, beautiful. Let me mark it up, show you real quick. Nice. See that, guys? Price came down here and it rejected. Very beautiful. The price is glitching. What's going on? Anyway, guys, let me explain this trade real quick. So there is a doji right here, right? And remember, when there's a doji, it signifies a range, right? And when we are in range, levels work very, very nicely. Okay, so you can perhaps use doji to identify ranges. That's very good, but it's not always guaranteed. Okay, we're at another demand area, so I took that for 4 trades right here, guys. I'll market show you real quick. Alright, we're in that type of area, guys, and now we're waiting for the price to go in our direction, because we have entered our trade with a very huge discount, which is very good. We have 30 seconds to leave on the candle right here, guys. See that? See how beautiful that candle just moves, guys. That's so sweet. That's so beautiful. I like supply and demands, guys. You know, it controls the market. Taking trades here also again, because we came back into the demand area, and because we came back into the area where they form another one, we took it because there's another one here, as you can see. Okay, so we just took the trade. So this makes it super strong because there's 2 demand in one. Alright, and whenever you see them bundling one, that means it's super strong, guys. I'm just here waiting for my trade to close in our plus for me very nicely. If I was entering for 1 candle, I would have won this trade. See that, guys? I usually take it for 1 candle sometimes, but due to the market conditions, I'm just trading different times interval to know how to adjust yourself during certain times of trading. Okay, that was a draw. You see what I'm saying? I'm going to take this here, guys, because we are in the demand area still. We are not far away. The price came back down in it again, so it's telling me something. Alright, so we're expecting the price to move from right here and go higher. Let me check real quick. Yes, we're doing the right thing. We're in the zone. and we have a double zone, so that's very cool. So let's wait for this trade to close, guys. As I said, we're already a double zone, guys, so I know for a fact this price will try to come up. This candle will close beautiful, and then the next candle will surge past and go higher. Let me check what's let's check what's in my way. Okay, there's a little something here, but I don't think it's gonna cause any problem. So let's wait for this trade to close. Beautiful, nice. That's what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna take a sell trade here, guys. Oh shoot, my entry. See all this one sniper, guys. You see that? That's beautiful. I'm gonna take 2 more here. Right, so I have 4 trades here. In case I lose the one right here, I will win 3 trades. See what I'm saying, guys? I love supply and demand. It's so powerful. It's so powerful. And I teach all my students this in my mentorship, guys. If you're interested, you can contact me on Telegram, guys. I have a mentorship which I teach support and resistance, trend lines, supply and demand, points of decisions, everything, guys, you need to know in trading. Okay, anyway, this trade is going to be a beautiful winning trade right there. See that, guys? Once you know candlestick psychology, supply and demand, support and resistance, you don't even need to change the pair. Okay, I think I wanted to take a buy trade here, guys. I'm not really confident in it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this right here, guys, because we are still in the area of the demand. Okay, we're still in the area of the demand. I saw this beautiful rejection right here, and it was a doji also, and we know that dojis are signs of reversal. And then we saw an engulfing candle with continuation sign on it, so that means this trade has a high probability of being a winning trade. Okay, and I'm combining everything I know in this one trade, guys. This is how I trade, guys. I combine everything I know when I'm trading candlestick psychology, price action, everything. That's what I'm saying. Indicators, also when I'm trading indicators, I also trade with all my knowledge, and that's the reason why my win rate might be much steady than a person who just started to trade my style. Okay, taking this also. Damn, guys, you see that? You see that? If I could use flag mode and the regular pair, okay, guys, you can see this rejection is so clean, so clear. Okay, even right here, guys, if you were here, you see this. If I were here, the price came, rejected nicely, and go all the way up. So you see, guys, this thing really works. That's what I'm saying. You just need to know the strong ones from the weak ones. And in my mentorship, I teach all of this. You know, I teach the strong ones from the weak ones and stuff like that. So let's wait for this trade to close. Magnificent. Yeah, I needed that discount trade right there. So I'm taking this off 4,000. I needed 5,000, yes. Because I'm aiming for a goal in mind. That's the reason why I'm going so aggressive today, guys. Alright. Anyway, yeah, so this trade is pretty decent. You know, this session is very nice. I like how the market is looking. It's fitting the style of trading I'm doing, so that's cool. And that's the thing, guys, you need to know also. Whatever style of trading you're doing, make sure that the strategy you're using, it suits the style of trading you're doing. And another thing I want to talk about also, many of my strategies on my channel Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This trade closed as a plus, guys. See that? I'm gonna also take this for a buy right here. Okay. Magnificent. I should have took this for another 5,000, but it's okay. No problem. Guys, I want you to know something. If there's a strategy and it doesn't suit you, it's okay. Alright? You just need to know what strategy is your favorite. So when you're on on my channel, you can just browse through and see which strategy suits your personality. Because when you're not profitable or you're a beginner, you need to trade a strategy which suits your personality. Everyone have a different personality. When you're different now, you can trade strategies which have different personalities. The strategies themselves, they have personalities also. I need you to understand that. I'm taking this because the price came into my area. Taking it for 5 trades, guys. I have to be a little more heavier, guys, because you know on the regular pair the percentage is very low. So that's the reason why I'm trading way much heavier. See what I'm saying? Oh, I didn't, guys. You know I forget to mark it for you guys. Honestly, sometimes it slips me that I'm recording a video because I'm just trading my normal session, guys. I didn't remember to mark it. Forgive me for that. But yes, you guys can see right here. Oh, the price goes right on my line. You see that? Damn. You see that? That's what accuracy means. Okay? That's what accuracy means. This trade is very clean, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad I took 5,000 for this one. This is very amazing. Magnificent. If you're looking for consistency in your trading, my mentorship has the answers and the knowledge you need to be a consistent, profitable trader. If you're interested and you're ready to invest in yourself, you can apply for my mentorship. It's a paid mentorship. You can contact me on Telegram and I will get you started and registered. Click the link in the description to sign up for the mentorship.